Hi guys, welcome to your 10th tutorial on XHTML, and in this we're going to look like as images or things. Again, we did see this already, but I want to show you something else, right? So we have this reference here to Google. We have an image, we've given an XRC, there it is there. We have this new word alt. So basically this means is, if the image does not display, whatever writing you put inside here will be displayed instead. Okay, I've made this image up, it doesn't exist, so if you're ever doing one, not that you make one up, but if you put it in the wrong folder and it can't find a path to it, well then what will happen is you can put alt in and you'll know. See, image not displayed. If I click that, that will take me to Google. Okay, here's another quick tip. If you were to do this, okay, just do that. And if you go into that, so if just move that anchor and you refresh this page, what should happen? You shouldn't get anything. It won't work. It will just come back and tell you no. Let's just try it and oh wait, that's not even for sorry, my mistake. And if I go in here and if I refresh this page on HTML, see, it doesn't. It's not working anymore. So again, it's very, very important that you have the link properly closed. It has to be 100% just like that. If it's not, you get errors. So again, in this tutorial, we're just have to looking at if you don't display the image, which is here, we can put in this alt, image won't be displayed, and just to show that it still is an image, we go back and refresh the page again, go back to what we had, if I was to save it first, because saving it would be an idea, wouldn't it? Make sure she actually does the thing for me, and if I go and refresh this page, image not displayed, press this, still goes to red, and it will still take me to google.com, even though my computer is slow, but you can see it is going to go to Google. So just to show you there that if you don't display an image, put in the word alt, put the right one that you want to show up, at least your link is still there and people will still be able to get to whatever you want to take them to. If you're trying to take them to a partner website, I don't know, to buy something, to look for another item, whatever, it's there for you. This will take you to Google. Google's so slow today. Alright, so I'm glad you joined me today, and I hope this one was alright for you. I'll catch you later. See you then. Bye bye.